Hey everyone, welcome back to our SQL series. Today we are tackling a common issue in data management, that is removing duplicates. Duplicate records can clutter your data, making it hard to analyze accurately. We will dive into a powerful and unique method to handle duplicates using SQL. With real world examples, you will see how the approach can make your data cleaner and more manageable. Let's get started. First, let's understand why removing duplicate is important. Imagine you are working with a data set of customer transactions and some transactions are recorded multiple times. This can lead to incorrect reporting and analysis. SQL offers various ways to handle duplicates, but today we will focus on a very effective method using the row number function. Let's understand the row number function. The row number function assigns a unique sequential integer to each row within a partition of a result set. This is incredibly useful for identifying and removing duplicates while retaining one unique record. So we can see the syntax. We use over and partition by command in the row number syntax, and the purpose is to rank rows within partition and identify duplicates. Let's set up our example. So we have a table named customer transaction. Let's see the table. So in this customer transaction table, there is transaction ID, there is customer ID, transaction date, and amount. Here is the data set. We can see that. Now let's remove the duplicates. We can see the duplicate records over here. The record 1 is having the customer ID as 101 and amount is 500, and same is the record 3 and record 5. So let's remove the duplicates. To remove the duplicate, we can use the row number function along with a CTE, that is a common table expression. We have already seen the common table expression in my previous video. If you haven't seen that, please go and see that. Let me walk you through the query step by step. Let me write the query super fast. I know the query looks terrifying, but I will break it down for you. Let me show you the customer transaction again. These are the 5 records where duplicates records are there. Let me run the query. Now let's see it. The duplicates are removed or not. As you can see, the duplicate records got removed. Let me break down the query for you. So the first part of the query is the common table expression. It creates a temporary result set named the rank transaction within the result set. Now the select clause. Here the select clause, I am selecting the transaction ID, customer ID, transaction date and amount. It retrieves all the columns we need. Now the row number part. Here the row number function assigns a row number to each row within the same customer ID, amount and order by the transaction ID. And later on the delete statement. Here I am deleting the customer transaction, the records from the customer transaction where the transaction ID is greater than 1 from the common table expression. Like if we are having duplicate records, then the rank number must be greater than 1. So they will get deleted from the data. You can take a screenshot of it so that you can understand it better. Let's see some real life use cases or real life application. For this data, for this much of recorded data, this query may look terrifying or so big, but for real life cases, this is the best solution. So let's see some real world use cases of removing duplicates. So these are some real world scenario. The first scenario is the customer transaction records. In sales database, removing duplicate transaction ensures accurate financial reports and customer activity record. For example, if a customer's purchase is recorded twice due to a system glitch, this method helps clean up the data and ensuring accurate sales report. So this is for customer transaction record. Now the survey data. When analyzing survey responses, duplicates can occur if the respondent submits multiple entries. This technique helps remove duplicate responses, ensuring each participant is counted only once, leading to the more reliable survey results. Now, moving to the email list situation. In email marketing, maintaining a clean list is crucial. Removing duplicate prevents sending multiple emails to the same address, reducing bounce rate and improving engagement with your campaign. So in this type of situation also, we can use the row number and the CTE combinedly. By mastering the row number function and the CTE, we can efficiently manage and clean our data, making our analysis more accurate and reliable. Let's recap what we have learned today. So to summarize, today we learned a powerful trick for removing duplicates using the row number function. This method helps keep our data clean and accurate, which is essential for reliable reporting and analysis. Try this approach in your own database and see how it can streamline your data management. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SQL tips and tricks. Drop any questions or challenges you have in the comment below. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we will explore another useful SQL concept. Thanks for watching and see you next time.